fellow chickens of Sangoma, come quickly.
What is the matter, Click? What has happened?
Mother.
Mother, Click, please don't tell me what I think you're trying to say. If Mother dies, I swear I'll die with her.
Fellow brothers and sisters, we need help urgently. Our mother is dying. Ooh, her stomach is growing thinner and thinner.
Very soon, our mother will have no stomach. She needs food urgently. Let us continue scratching the grounds for food.
But the grounds are dry and parched.
There is no more food in the land.
I suggest we scratch the ground. Some more.
Chiquita, our traditional herbalist.
Chiquita, please tell us, you have brought good news from the oracles.
Fellow brothers and sisters, I have bad news and worst news. Bad news is, I, your traditional herbalist, have failed to find a cure for our sick mama. Worst news is, the oracle says that our mama has only 1 day to live. 1 day! And the most important news is, the oracle says that the solution to the problem of the chicken of Sangoma lies on the hands of men, not the gods. The gods are not to blame. If Brother Bruno does not arrive with food and medicine from Peking, our mother will be no more.
Why has Brother Bruno taken so long to come with food and medicine from Peking?
Master Bruno, at your service, Chief Ambassador to the great King Pampu. The chickens of Sangoma have sent me to the king with one prayer. The poor and downtrodden, I thought we were all the chickens of God. God help Sangoma, the chickens of God. Well, Master Bruno, this is the message from the king. God gives this gift to your fellow chickens of Sangoma to save their dying mother as well as themselves. However, for them to get an everlasting solution, they have to get an answer to the riddle he talked to you about yesterday.
Fellow brothers and sisters, today is the day that we have all been waiting for.
Kokoliko, we have all been waiting for the day. We all die of hunger.
We have all been waiting for Brother Bruno, whom we sent to the great land of King Pampu, where food and medicine are in plenty. Now look yonder, as he arrives with food and medicine from the chickens of Peking.
Hold! Thank you. Good chickens of Sangoma. King Pampu sent me to bring you this precious gift for all of you. Cheers for King Pampu. Ping pong what? Boo! Ping pong what? Boo! Now eat to your fill and make merry. Food, glorious food. We are anxious to try it. Just bitter and baked big steak, fried, roasted and stewed.
Oh, food, magical food, wonderful food, marvelous food, fabulous food, beautiful food, glorious food.
Hey! Let us follow the pecking order of this family as the leader. I am the one entitled to receive this gift on behalf of this family.
I hope you're not going to eat on behalf of the family too.
Let us show these strangers that the chickens of Sangoma are organized.
Open the lid, Kokoliko, and let us give Mother her share of food and medicine to save her life. As you say, we may be poor, but the chickens of Sangoma are organized.
Mama, behold our baking bowl, full to the brim with food donations from the land where the sun rises, courtesy of our illustrious brother Bruno. Take this in remembrance of our great king, on whom our lives depend. What was that?
Was that what they call the dragon of Peking?
It looked like a hyena.
Brother Bruno! Brother, what is the meaning of this?
That is a ritual from the great King Pangpu, the ritual of Sangoma.
Ritual of Sangoma!
A riddle?
Which you must unravel in order to get the donations from the great land of Peking.
It's an insult. The king of Peking has just called us hyenas.
He thinks because they eat snakes, we also eat hyenas. But hyenas are supposed to eat us, not the other way around.
Someone somewhere is joking with my life. Why have we been given a hyena as food?
Kakuku, let us follow the Peking order of this family. Let us show these strangers that the chickens of Sangoma are organized. Brother Bruno, as the leader, I will not sit back and watch as those bamboo fellows make fun of us. In your sane mind, how could you accept such an insult for a gift?
They did not even cover the hyena with a gift wrapper.
Can someone please explain to me why we were given a hyena as food?
There is a hidden message in that hyena, which you must try to get in a brick hands.
What message?
I also don't know. That is the work of the head of the chickens of Sangoma, to think on our behalf. Think.
Can someone please explain to me why we were given a hyena as food?
How do you shut us, Kakuku? Don't remind us of that thing.
However, I have the good news. If we are unable to unravel that ritual from the great King Pangpu, then the king is prepared to provide a solution for us, but on one condition.
Can someone please explain to me?
Shut up!
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
A wedding ring? Whose wedding?
With that wedding ring, King Pangpu has promised to give us a solution to the ritual of the hyena, which will open the gates to everlasting supply of food.
On what condition?
What?
Condition!
On condition we give him a wife.
A wife? A whole king of Peking has no wife.
He has 5 good-breathing wives, but they have failed to give him a child.
So is the king incompetent or impotent?
That is not important. Of importance here is that the king of Peking needs a wife from Sangoma.
You should have said that. Brother Bruno, we have plenty of chickens everywhere. Who would kill to become the king's wife? For example, Kakuku. Kakuku! Where is the Kakuku?
Kakuku!
Kakuku! You know, I think she is the most suitable wife for the king.
I have even seen Kakuku without feathers.
Once Kakuku marries the king, the chickens of Sangoma shall become lifetime development partners with the chickens of Peking. Brother Bruno! Brother Bruno! Thank you, Brother Bruno!
However,
God bless you!
yes, however, you see, the king has changed his orientation. He wants a he chicken for a wife.
A he chicken?
A jogo.
A jogo? But why?
Because he is, let us put it this way, he has changed his direction.
Wait. The king of the chickens of Peking is a jogo, right?
Right,
And he wants another jogo for a wife.
a wife jogo.
But for God's sake, how will this wife jogo bear children for him?
God will provide. All chickens come from God.
Hey, which jogo will accept to be stepped on by another jogo?
You.
Brother Bruno, be serious at times. At the wife jogo, of all things. What?
Yes, you Kokoliko, King Pangpu has chosen you as his wife.
What? Me?
Oh, what a lucky man you are, Kokoliko. I'm so happy for you.
Will you shut up? You think this is funny? Brother Bruno, actually accept this humiliating offer?
On your behalf, yes, he has even promised to pay dowry.
Why did he not pick you?
Kokoliko, he doesn't like old chicken. No male animal likes an old female, apart from an archaeologist.
No, but you are right there. You are readily available.
I am too aged to be engaged.
What are you talking about?
He wants a young succulent to go.
Huh? Why did he pick Kajogo? Look, he's younger than me.
Excuse me. Let us follow the pecking order of this family. As our leader, you are entitled to receive that marriage proposal on behalf of the family. Now go ye and receive. And the king will see you without feathers.
Shut up! Okay, this is insane. Sheer madness.
We must show these strangers that the chickens of Sangoma are organized. Go and get married on our behalf.
Brother Bruno, is the king as big as that fellow whom you came with?
No, he's not. He's much bigger.
Why, my friend, you will be organized properly.
Kajogo, shut up! Shut up! This is neither the time nor the place for your stupid, dirty little jokes. Brother Bruno.
Kokoliko, there are certain sacrifices you must prepare to make for the sake of those who live.
Kokoliko, think not about yourself. Think about our sick mama. She is dying. She has just 1 day to live.
1 day! I am engaged to Chiquita. Just the other day, I proposed to her, and the words of love still linger in the air.
Kokoliko.
Yes, Chiquita.
Just imagine of the cactus, the way it stands strong in the scorching sun. We need to be strong in every trial and challenge we face. Only then shall our love for each other blossom like these gorgeous flowers.
Chiquita, I don't lie. God, you know you changed my life.
Chiquita, I don't lie. God, you know you changed my life. Chiquita, I don't lie. God, you know you changed my life. Chiquita, I don't lie. God, you know you changed my life.
Now, how do I explain to her that her future husband will become a wife to another Jogo?
Forget about it.
Chiquita.
To me, Chiquita is unforgettable.
Chiquita.
Is
Unforgettable.
Chiquita will give us nothing but traditional herbs.
And stupid messages from the oracle.
Kokoliko, stop being a chicken and marry the king.
Stop being hard to get.
Look at our mama, Kokoliko. Are you going to let her die because you love Chiquita?
Our mother has only wanted to leave Kokoliko. And if she dies, you will be held responsible. Kokoliko, forget about Chiquita.
And save our mama. Calamity, tragedy.
What is the matter, Chiquita? What has happened?
I'm afraid Kakuku is no more.
What?
She has gone to be the god of chicken.
Dead!
Oh my god. Oh no. This cannot be happening.
Chiquita, how could she be dead, Chiquita? She was right here, Chiquita.
You see, I told you, Kokoliko, if you don't accept this proposal, you are going to lose all your loved ones. See now what has happened to our sister.
Okay, Chiquita, tell us what happened.
Suicide. She could not take it anymore. She threw herself into that container with that hyena. I could hear her scream as the hyena ripped her into pieces and
Yes! Spare the graphic details.
This is what was left for us to bury.
Fellow brothers and sisters, we must accord Kakuku a distant burial. Because even in times of tragedy, we the chickens of Sangoma are organized. sorry.
Kakuku, we are sorry. Kakuku, we are sorry. Kakuku, we are sorry. Won't you come back to us?
Kakuku, we are sorry.
Kakuku, we are sorry. Kakuku, we are sorry. Kakuku, we are sorry. Won't you come back to us?
I will not allow that hyena to wreak more havoc upon our already miserable life.
No, please stop! Oh my God! Stop! Oh my God, Clark, go catch him before you have another tragedy. Chiquita, please, go assist. Okay, Chiquita, I love you and all your hearts, but you need to talk.
Wait, you are not beginning to have second thoughts about us, are you?
Oh no, Chiquita.
Ewe. Tell her the truth, Kokoliko.
What truth?
Kokoliko?
Are you hiding something from me, Kokoliko?
Kokoliko is engaged.
What? Engaged? To who?
Chiquita, that is a very complex question. You see, you can only ask where, how, what, but certainly not who.
Let us go, Kokoliko. We can't keep the king of Peking waiting.
The king of Kokoliko, are you engaged to the daughter of the king of Peking?
Daughter of the king, you have rounded it off to the nearest digit.
How come you've never told me about this?
Chiquita, the lesser you know, the better it is for you.
That explains everything.
Please what?
That explains your sudden change of attitude towards me. Now that you are engaged to the daughter of the king of Peking, you see me as trash, a tissue paper used and thrown in the toilet.
Chiquita, as the leader, I must do what's best for the chickens of Sangoma.
And as the leader, you are supposed to protect the local chickens from international competition.
Chiquita, please see my dilemma. Understand my predicament. My neck is tied by huge chains for sleep. Chiquita, see my dilemma. As the leader, I must do what's best for the chickens of Sangoma. Chiquita, I must do what's best for our mama. She has only one day to live, Chiquita.
Does this mean it is over between us?
No matter what happens, you will forever remain in my heart. Always.
No wedding. Chiquita, I don't lie. Girl, you know you changed my life.
Go, Kokoliko, and prepare for the journey. The crying eyes of the frog do not deter the cow from drinking water at the river.
Now I feel like a cow.
Rasamoto,
Yes, my lord!
arrest her.
Let me go. After you have succeeded in destroying the future of Kokoliko and I, what more do you want?
Rasamoto, who did the king say should receive the donations on behalf of the chickens of Sangoma?
The leader of the chickens of Sangoma!
Go tell your king, from now henceforth, I will be the leader of the chickens of Sangoma. As such, all donations from the chickens of Peking to the chickens of Sangoma should be channeled through me. Now, the plot thickens. Let us go to the second part of this lot. Take them to the hyenas.
Welcome to the chickens of Peking, where chickens love Peking. Today is a momentous occasion where our king will marry his sixth wife from Sangoma, who are famous for their child production. In exchange, we, the chickens of Peking, are going to help them resolve a riddle that has troubled them for very many years, the riddle of Sangoma. And when the riddle is solved, we are going to give them food donations that will save their mother country from death. Silence, silence, the king speaks.
I, King Pangpu of Peking, declare that every chicken assembled here shall eat and drink without restraint, each to their own desire in celebration of this day, that the kingdom of Peking and the African land of Sangoma shall unite in holy matrimony and partnership in development.
Behold, the king's sixth wife, a chicken from the land of Sangoma, one who promises to provide the king with dozens of children.
A cockerel?
A cockerel?
Forgive my ignorance, Your Highness, but I was meant to believe that you proposed to marry me as a condition for
You?
lasting.
A cockerel as the king's wife? I know madness when I see one. But what level of madness is
And
this?
why is that emissary from the land of Sangoma, with whom we made an agreement?
Master Bruno.
Yes, my
Is this the kind of wife you present to the king of Peking?
Kokoliko, have you no shame, no self-dignity that you should offer yourself to be a wife to the fellow cockerel? Since when did the cock get married to another cock? Your Highness, this is cock shock.
Brother Bruno!
God knows my king. I tried to talk to him against this indecent proposal, but you didn't listen. I think the poverty and the pestilence of our land has driven him mad.
I am not mad!
Are you aware that such an insult to the king is punishable by death here in the land of Peking?
Your Highness, you are the one who proposed to marry me.
Me? And why would I insist on marrying a fellow cockerel when I have 5 wives? Oh, Master Bruno, is this a plot to humiliate me and the people of Peking?
No, my lord. I don't know even where this fool has sprung from. Your Highness, this is not only an insult to the king, but also to the people of the kingdom of Peking. You must teach him, even chickens have morals. He must pay the ultimate price, the boiling pot.
Young impudent cockerel! Your proposal to marry a fellow cockerel is an act of treason against the king, against the gods of chicken, and against the land of Peking, which is punishable by death.
Your Highness, I am innocent. Brother, tell him the truth. Stop playing games of death with me. Did you not show me the king's wedding ring as a proposal for a marriage?
That was a marriage proposal for the king's sixth wife. Wife number 6, present yourself to the king.
Okay, Brother Bruno, what is going on?
Aha! Your Highness, presenting to you a traditional herbalist who will use the medicinal herbs to give you several children. Chiquita.
No, Chiquita is my fiancée.
How is that possible? How can you have a wife when you have offered yourself to be a wife to someone else? Besides, Chiquita here has already accepted the king's wedding ring, and as such, she is betrothed to King Pangpu.
What?
In chicken language, she has accepted to be pegged by the king of Peking. Glaklik.
Chiquita, is this true? Is what Brother Bruno saying the truth? Chiquita, what is the meaning of all this? Chiquita, answer me! I bear no answers to your questions. All I have is a tortured heart and a broken will, all thanks to your elder brother, Bruno.
Chiquita, if you don't accept this offer to marry the king of Peking, then I will give orders to that hyena to attack the whole of Kokoliko's loved ones, one by one.
Am I to marry the king whose daughter is betrothed
future husband. No, I cannot be my future husband's mother-in-law. No way.
Chiquita, he's not getting married to the princess. He's getting married to the king.
Yes. My lord, the king intends to marry me and my future husband. There is no way I'm going to become my future husband's co-wife. No
Make
way.
your choices very carefully, Chiquita. Do you honestly believe that Kakuku committed suicide?
What? What are you saying?
You killed Kakuku.
Brother Bruno!
I ordered that hyena to kill her so as to put more pressure upon Kokoliko. That is exactly what will happen if you decide to be foolish, Chiquita.
Wait!
Will you marry the king or not?
Will you believe me or not?
Okay? Choices have consequences.
Wait! Oh my God!
I am not your God.
Why are you doing this to me?
I'm the one asking the questions here. Will you marry the king or not? In any case, Kokoliko has already left you for these greener pastures.
And in that moment, at the weighing scale, I chose you over the lives of the chickens of Sangoma.
Would you rather betray his mother and his family? Chiquita, I'm asking you to save the lives of Kokoliko's loved ones. Will it be life or death with the chickens of Sangoma? Hey! Even a big blood needs a little flavor. Rasamoto, plan B.
Plan B? What do you mean, plan? You see, what good would the truth serve at such a time? Was I wrong to love more than my heart can bear? These are the lashes of the whip that hides in the gentleness of love. I have a lot of answers to your questions, but this is what I have. Chiquita, after everything I've done for you.
Chiquita, is it your wish to be married by the king?
Yes. Chiquita!
Do you love the king?
Yes. Oh my God, Chiquita, what are you doing? Please see my dilemma. What dilemma? I have to do this for the chickens of Sangoma. I have to do this for a dying mama.
Your Highness, this is the very corporal a few minutes ago who was begging you to marry him. He's now threatening to beg and step on your wife-to-be. That is unacceptable, my lord. He must be put to death, the boiling pot.
Before we put the lad to boil, may I be curious to know his name? Kokoliko, never before has a boy wanted more. Kokoliko, wants for more and he knows what his stone is a dog. Being winding, stairway without any banister. Would you throw him down and feed him the cocoa, just can in the canister? What will he do when he's done black and blue? He'll rule the day, someone named him
Your Highness, my king, there is a group of disheveled chickens requesting your audience. They say that they are from an African land of Sangoma.
From Sangoma.
Sangoma! My family is here!
But how? That's impossible. There is no way the chickens of Sangoma would have escaped that hyena guarding the exit.
Wrong! There is no way that hyena would have survived the poisonous herbs I gave your guard to feed your...
You poisoned my hyena!
You poisoned my lamb! Your Highness, please let them in. They have brought our dying mama, who has some few minutes to live. Only you, my lord, can save her, please.
Mother is here.
Yes, she's
Let
here.
them in.
Thank you.
Aha! How are you, my fellow chickens from Sangoma? How nice of you to come and witness this wedding between blah and blah blah blah.
Master Bruno! My God! Is this your family from Sangoma? Is this woman your mother?
Our mother country.
Why is she like this? Nurses, take mother hen and give her food and medicine. I thought I have been donating food and medicine to the land of Sangoma through you to save your mother.
Food. Your Highness, what are you talking about?
Haven't you been receiving food, medicine, and jewelry sent to you through your emissary, Master Bruno?
Your Highness, we have received nothing. No food donations, nothing. Nothing at all.
The only gift you have received from you was a hyena.
That was supposed to be a riddle for you to unravel.
Riddle of Sangoma.
Get the hyena out of your mother country and deal with it. Only then shall we continue supplying you with more and more donations from the land of Peking.
Your Highness, that has already been done using her traditional medicine. Chiquita here has dispensed with that hyena. Now and forever.
I am talking about the hyena with 2 legs and without a tail.
Brother Bruno. Now what have you been doing with all those food donations that we have been receiving? Where have you been taking them?
What donations?
Where?
Oh, those donations, I stored them away from home.
You mean we have been suffering in the land of Sangoma while you have been storing our food in foreign lands?
I was keeping it safe away from the hyena of Sangoma.
You are the hyena!
Yet that guard from Peking who has been assisting this fool, Master Bruno, to steal food donations. Nasamoto. Now here in Peking, we are very brutal about corruption criminals. Take him to the gallows to wait the fate of the deadly hyena. Now over to you, chickens of Sangoma. Get your hyena and deal with it.
To the boiling pot.
Wait, stop! What? We still need him alive. So that he can return all that he has stolen from us.
Bring back all the food you stole from us.
Bring it back! Now.
The king speaks.
Take him to the gallows to wait the sentence of the 2 countries. It is clear that the main problem with you chickens of Sangoma is the absence of moral values, which no amount of donations can cure. However, now that you have managed to get the answer to the riddle of Sangoma, we the chickens of Peking shall continue working together with you, chickens of Sangoma, in view to develop your local resources.
Hey, chickens! Let us follow the begging order of this.
Shut up! But on one condition. Chiquita!
Chiquita, I don't lie. Girl, you know you changed my life.
Chiquita, I can't lie. Girl, you know I'll change your life.
Chiquita, I don't lie. Girl, you know you changed my life.
Chiquita,
I don't lie. Girl, you know you changed my life.
I'm sorry, Your Highness, but I can't marry you. I love you, but not with my heart. I love you with all my stomach.
Chiquita, what I have wanted from you now and before, are those traditional herbs from Sangoma, which will make my 5 wives pregnant.
Even prisoners operate separate development. Let me show you. Kuku kwisataga mayai.
Mayai pata pata. Mayai pata pata.
Kuku kwisataga mayai.
Mayai pata pata.
Kuku kwisataga mayai.
Mayai pata pata.
Mayai mayai mayai. Mayai mayai mayai.
Pata pata.
Mama kusapa.
Nafu pata pata. 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 Now that I have sung and danced for you, can I be set free?
No!
Kianyaga!
I have a big hand to Kianyaga,